everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm presenting you with the August Make a Kit Monday that I have put together. I've done it very different this month. I've got lots and lots of paper, and I actually pulled out an embellishment pack that I just got at Tuesday morning. I know that I've just had so much stuff and I end up putting so much of it away. I thought, you know, let me just make it smaller and I'll see how that goes. But I want to go ahead and show you the paper first. So this is the paper that I am actually taking everything from. It has a little bit of a creamy background, but because it does have the white, the pink, the green, you know, these are still the summer colors. And I'm going hope to be scrapping just all summer colors for the month of August, and then as we get into September I'll get more into some fall photos. Alright, so I have this one, and then this is not a full 12 by 12, but I thought it coordinated very well with it, and it brought some dimension to some of these colors in here, and it does have the white background. And of course I needed the green to match that. And the yellow is kind of a golden color. So I love this paper. I love this flowers. I love daisies. This is my favorite flowers. And so far everything here is from a paper pad. And then this is also from a paper pad. And forgive me guys, I don't know which paper pad it came from. I just ended up pulling all of it. You know, I'm just going to make it for the color. I don't even want to get a word out of this because the words are just so huge. And then, of course, I always like some sort of a grid, or, you know, this is ledger paper as a neutral. So I've got that. And then this other pink that is kind of a corally color. Kind of matches my top today. And then this blue. It doesn't really match anything, but it kind of goes with this leaf here. For some reason, I thought that it was, you know, it's words. It's just something a little different. So I'm going to go ahead and put it to this kit. And there are, I believe there's 4 Mondays in August. So I may have another bonus layout this month. I don't even know for sure. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 full 12 by 12s, and then one that's kind of a partial. It's almost. And then the other paper is from Glitz. I got this free, and I don't remember if I won it. I'm not quite sure how I got it. Oh, I love this, and they're not even around anymore. It's called Uncharted Waters, and I think I love it so much because I love yellow. I have so many scraps in here, and I know that it will go. So I just pulled, I don't have a lot left over. See, I just have this, and I think they're 8 by 8, and I wanted to just pull it out and see what I can use. So yeah, there's a lot of papers in this kit. Oh, more paper. I got this. Actually, not this one. It's a duplicate, because I thought maybe I could get a couple of the months out. A wood grain, and this is from Pink Fresh. So the colors coordinated. Maybe I can use that. And then I'll go ahead and show Alpha. I just got black out. I'm thinking these are in the correct packaging. Charming, and they're chipboard. And then this is the kind that you can color. You know, I don't even know if that's the right packaging. It says Amy Tangerine, and there's several. See, there's more in here. I don't know if you can see. There's a lot in there. But, you know, I can paint over it and make it a different color. This is Dear Lizzie. So I don't have a lot left, but let me see what I can use up. It's called Petals. And then this is a good standby that I have. These are the LA Studios. I love these. So I have that. And this out again. I had it last month. I'm going to go ahead and try it again. I've pulled this as well. I don't have anything that I think I'm going to be able to use the gold on. I'm going to try not to use gold this month, or at least the glittery kind, but there's enough black words on here. And then I think I had this last month as well, Pretty Little Studio, Here Comes the Sun. So there's a lot of phrases that I need to continue to use. And I pulled this out because I am going to try to do a cut file for each of the pages that I do. And I already have an idea for this one. The rest of them I do not. And this one, I can tell you, it is from Paige Evans, her Facebook group, and it was free. So if you guys have electronic cutter, I have a scan and cut, and I was still able to download it and to use it, obviously. So that'll be the first one. And then look, it's not even bulging. I can actually zip it. There's not a lot in here. All right. A couple things are from leftover from last month, and I'm pulling out for these bows. We'll see how this goes. This is the only word I have left over, so I'm going to try to incorporate that into a page. Here's my wood veneer. I just have a couple pieces, some butterflies. I think you can see that on my wood table here. Got a couple flared. This is from Click Kits Relax, and these beautiful flowers. And then this is from, what is it? That girl? Oh girl. Oh my gosh. Forgive me. I want to use these up. I think that is from Paige Evans. I have just these. This is from last month. I didn't use Hello Summer. And then the charms from Freckle Fawn. The colors work perfectly. So if I do a page of the twins, I think I'm going to go ahead and just put it on their page. And then this is the embellishment kit or set that I got at Tuesday morning, and it's from My Mind's Eye. I haven't even opened it, but I just looked at it and I thought that the colors would just work. So let's look at it together, and this is it. This is all that I'm pulling out. Maybe I'll make it easier making a page. So these punch out, these little banners or the little triangles. I never could figure out what to do with the telephone. Kitty cat. That one's kind of odd. Huh. I like the bird. Whoops, can you see? Kind of still trying to figure out my camera angle on my table. See how the colors go well together? They go really well. You know what I like to do? Usually I cut those in half, and I use both of them. Look how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lots of tags. He said, she said. Yeah, we don't got any he said around here. Hello, beautiful. Isn't that cute? That's really cute. Not too many flowers, and I'm a big flower girl. So, there. Ooh la la girl. There's a mini doily in a frame, and that punches out. Now I've got, I don't consider that waste, I consider that a new opportunity. So, look. So I think it goes well together. So there's some glittery pieces. I'm not a big fan of glittery stuff, especially if it ends up on my finger. So if it does, yeah, see, that's going to end up in the trash. I don't like glitter in my album. And it's one of those things, ask me, you know, about the past. I have pages I've looked at and oh my gosh, there's glitter everywhere. Oh, I should really just redo those or throw them away or start over or something. Anyway, so this is all I have for the month of August. What I would say is wish me luck, and hopefully I can get 3 pages done. That's the goal. And if I can do a bonus page, I certainly will. If I do pull something else in from my stash, I'll make sure I mention it. So, and if you'd like to join us, there's Dollie is joining us this month. So it's Becky's the one who started it. So it's Becky, myself, Dollie Boyd, Kathy Feigl, and Daisy Niemeyer. So there's 5 of us. I think everyone is doing it for the month of August. Make sure you check out their YouTube channel and their pages and follow them and leave comments. We always like to have good feedback, or if there's something in particular that you want to see or want to know about, just ask any of us any questions. And if you want to join us, you're welcome to, whether you do YouTube videos or not. I know we should probably have a hashtag, you know, Make a Kit Monday, and I don't know, Becky, do you think that maybe we should have a Make a Kit Monday Instagram page? I don't know. Anyway, I say that. I don't want to be in charge of it. You know, idea girl here. I don't even hardly keep up with my Instagram. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for joining me today. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.